welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm sitting in a car park, Sainsbury's car park, and I have nothing to do, so what better thing to do than talk to my friends on YouTube. I decided to talk to you guys, you know, just nothing to talk about, but just vlog and talk to you guys. Waiting for my daughter. She's got her theory test, and in the UK, like I said, we do two tests. So we do a theory test and then we do a practical test. The theory test is a multiple choice questions that you do online, where you have to answer questions on like road hazards and things like that. And then the practical test, which is the actual driving. Right now she's doing the theory test, so guys, please help me, pray for her, help me, wish her good luck. Hopefully she passes. You know, I know she's gonna pass because she's a very intelligent person. And then when she comes, we're gonna do some errands, do some grocery shopping, and I'm also going to take her out for a meal, you know, just to celebrate her wins, because I'm hoping she's going to pass. It's too much noise. I've got the fan on because it's very hot, but I'm gonna switch it off now. Start sweating. The fan is coming back on. I'm going to switch it off now. Oh guys, what do you think of this hair? I hate the way I glued the hair. I feel like I did it too far and my forehead looks like it's pushed back. It looks like I've got a big forehead, but it's all right. Let me know what you guys think. Of this hair. It's like I said, I've been off YouTube for a while. I'm gonna switch off. I've been off YouTube for a while and I miss you guys so much. I can't stay off YouTube for long. You know, I love YouTube. I love beauty. I love fashion. I love anything beauty. I love anything fashion. But I decided to take some time off YouTube. You know, sometimes it's actually quite healthy to take some time off social media, and that's what I did. Once in a while I take time off social media just to recuperate, you know, because I feel like sometimes YouTube takes too much of one's time. So once in a while I take time off YouTube. I'm back now, so I'm going to be posting more videos. And also guys, I need some help. You guys should help me. I normally do beauty, but I want to incorporate something else. So if you guys have any ideas what I should add to my YouTube channel, please let me know. At the moment I'm still going to be doing my beauty, which is the makeup. I'm going to be doing my reviews. I'm going to do a lot more fashion now, hauls. I'm going to do some lookbooks. So if there's anything else guys that you guys want to see or you guys can recommend, just let me know. You know, I need more ideas. That it will be amazing. By the way guys, my top, I've got the top that I'm wearing. I've had a lot of compliments coming here. People have been stopping me saying how much they love my top. So if you guys want to see the full top or see how the top looks like or what I'm wearing, I'm actually dressed very casual, just this top and a casual jeans, because like I said, I come here with my daughter, so I dress very casually. So if you guys want to see, I'm gonna insert it in somewhere, you know, the outfit that I'm wearing. Yep, the top is from Shein. It's just gorgeous. I love it. It's very summery, and then I'm wearing a jeans to go with it. There we go. And this is the bag I'm holding. Yeah, I got this bag. I can't remember where I got this bag from, but I've had this bag for a while. I'm going to flip it around. Yeah, this is the bag here. I honestly think the bag looks really nice. That's the back of the bag. I don't have a stand at the moment, so I'm holding my phone and my hand is killing me right now. My hand is painful. I can't hold the phone any longer. So guys, yes, I'm going to hang up the phone and wait for my daughter to come, and when she comes I'm going to vlog with her and I'm going to let her tell you how it went. See you on the other side. There she is. Hey, hello. How was it?
I passed.
Did you pass?
Yeah.
Congratulations. Let's have a look. Where does it say pass?
Yeah, look.
Yes.
Look, it says I passed.
Congratulations, you've passed. Yeah, well done. Give me a hug.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, so yeah, say hi to my YouTube.
Hi.
Okay guys, she's in the car now. She passed. I'm so happy for her. All your prayers worked. Thank you very much guys. So we're gonna start going. I'm going to, like I said, we're gonna do some rounds, some errands, and then from there we're gonna hopefully, you know, go grab some food to eat. So congratulations. Bye guys.